So, I'm just here trying to spread some awareness about mental health issues. I mean, this is the most important thing right now after coronavirus we need to be aware of. Just because yesterday we had a very unpleasant situation and a very unpredictable death of one of my favorites, so everybody has suddenly emerged into a mental health expert. I just want to tell everybody that this is not the problem that started just yesterday. It was an issue that was going on for a very long time. So, better late than never. So, since yesterday, I've been getting a lot of DMs like, call me if you want to talk to somebody. But it's so strange that people don't get it, that it's the hardest thing for a depressed person to open up to even the closest ones. So, if you have this pure intentions about helping them open up, then the person really needs to have a lot of patience in itself, because opening up can be really frustrating and it's a really slow process. You need a lot of small talks and everything. So it's not just that you call and the person just opens up. So you need to build the trust and make the person feel compassionate and loved, because the person has already lost all his confidence and hope from life. The person literally overanalyzes and overthinks every small situation and tends to lose all the positiveness from within. So it's one of the most deadliest diseases most of us are unaware of. I mean, it's not something that can be cured with only medication. You just need one person who can listen and not judge, so that one can feel safe about sharing their feelings. So, opening up, like I said, is the toughest thing a depressed person can ever do. They just can't talk to any random person about their feelings. This is the most unpleasant period in all our lives. So, therefore, I would request every person to have patience, to be more compassionate towards each other, be kind and respect every person you interact with. Because the person might be smiling and at the same time he might be fighting an unknown battle. So we have no idea what the person is going through. So have more pure intentions, and most importantly, try and be trustworthy and non judgmental, because it's really tough in today's time to find a trustworthy and a non judgmental person. I would also want to request all the parents out there to be more open and understanding, so that your children can reach out to you for help without any hesitations. So take good care of yourselves and people around you. Stay safe, stay at home as much as possible. Lots of love.